Hello, this is a short demo of how the mobile sales platform works. Here I'm going to walk you through a salesperson placing an order, the platform receiving this information. Then from there, we're going to create a shipment, generate the invoices, and then we're going to simulate delivery personnel delivering these documents. First, here in the mobile app, I'm a salesperson. Let's select a customer, this one. Supermercado Tropical, let's make an order for them with 2 items. And let's save it. Test. Then we're going to make another order. Let's save again. Perfect. After we take the orders, we're going to send them to the platform. 2 orders have been sent here. Then we go to the platform, orders. Here in orders, we have 3 orders, several pending orders. This one and this one were the 2 I generated. We can see the item details when it was received. Let's proceed to approve. Let's do these 2. Let's go to credit terms to see if there are any. Let's look at ready for dispatch. This is the rule we have. The rule can be different. We can, once approved, have them go directly to credit authorization, or they can be automatically approved depending on the customer's credit, inventory availability, or any other condition we wish to evaluate before sending the order to the customer. We have 2 ways to generate the shipment. This dispatch center is a new one. Here we see the 2 orders we have. We're going to plan the route, which driver will be delivering this, the different stops, the distance between one and another, other customers, and we can plan it. Okay, once planned, the stops were planned. Here we see the 2 customers. This is our hub. We see that it's assigned to the 1 and 2, assigned to the driver. We're going to schedule the date of when the delivery will be. And we're going to assign that route to this driver. The other way to create these routes can be a bit more direct. We have another, we can create those routes. We go here, select the distributor, the person who is going to send that merchandise. We plan the date. This is the generic interface. We select the orders that go on this date, and we can see an optimization of how these items can be delivered. Here we see it leaves the hub. First, it's going to deliver to Supermercado Tropical, then La Sirena, and then it comes back. And we can also check the truck capacity. That's when there are many orders. Here we're going to create it. We create the route. It's in draft status. Let's go into it with our 2 items. Here the system immediately organizes the delivery order, the first one on top, the second on the bottom. Yes. Depending on the optimization, we can add other orders if necessary, or we can change the quantities. Let's start the preparation. Once the system is prepared, we can generate a picking list report, or a report of each of the details of each of the items to send it to the warehouse. We can also generate that part. We can do it on the mobile device. Once they are counted, these quantities are set aside. If in case there isn't a product, it can be removed. We save. And then we complete the preparation. That's when everything is verified that the products are in set aside in the warehouse. We can generate invoices in batches. So here we have 2 customers, and instead of invoicing them one by one, the system generates all the invoices automatically. Here we see that the invoice number was loaded. Once we have those 2 documents, we can assign them to a truck. In this other app, we're going to go to routes. The user is, here we see that the route is created. We go in, and here we see the 2 orders. This is to confirm that the carrier confirms that those customers and those products are correct. We confirm the first and the second. The first item is correct. It has 3, and it's loaded onto the truck. Then do the same for each of the orders. We confirm it. Once this is confirmed, we refresh here. We can see that now the shipment went from a status of dispatch list to route. Let's go back. The carrier can see all his other shipments that are already completed, but this one is in route. This is the one that's going to leave now, the one he's going to take. Once this is done, he arrives at the customer, sees the items. Here he has the option to navigate to one of his preferred maps and has several options if it's not going to be delivered or will be delivered later, if it wasn't delivered, if it was partially delivered, or if it was delivered correctly. We're going to select that it was delivered correctly, that this invoice is on credit, and we can take an image for the validation of this, a proof of delivery. Let's confirm it. The first one was delivered. If we look here, it was delivered, the time of when it was delivered correctly. And then the second one, we can put that they didn't deliver it to inbox. Once confirmed, we're going to refresh. And that's it. Here we can see the reason the delivery ran out of time, and the carrier can close that shipment. It's completed. Let's refresh a bit here. We see the 2 items that he only delivered one of 2. And here we see that the shipment was completed correctly. We can check the order. Here we see the processed orders. We look for one of the orders we already processed. We see that it has an assigned invoice, and we can see all the details of the process. When we received the order, when the status was changed, when the shipment was created and assigned to one of the distributors, when the picking list was done, when we generated the invoice when it was dispatched, and when this order was delivered. Removing one of these items of these products from the order automatically generates a back order. Here we can see and visualize the items that were removed from the order, and that we can even re-invoice it. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you very much.